Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a DSers account using the easy method. This is a great way to start your online store journey so you can link up your shops and manage your items in one place. Let's get into it. First, go to the official website. The first step is to open your internet browser and visit the main web page where the tool lives. You need to get to the correct front page before you can build your profile. Open your web browser, type the main web address for the tool into the top bar, and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the page to load completely and look for the bright button at the top right that says Sign Up Free. You cannot create a profile from a regular search page. You have to open this official area so the system can reveal the registration entry boxes. Without this step, you would just be looking at advertising info instead of building your new store helper profile. Next, type in your email and password. You need to give the system your personal contact information and create a strong secret password to keep your new profile safe. Click inside the first empty box to type your email address, then move to the second box to make your secret password. Double-check your spelling to ensure your details are correct, then click the big button underneath to create your account. Because the system needs a way to know who you are whenever you try to log in to look at your items, by entering these specific details, you lock in your private registration security. It ensures your account stays completely yours, so nobody else can mess with your store items. Next, choose your plan level. Now, you need to select the type of account plan you want to use. The system offers a few options, but you should start with the one that does not cost any money. Look at the different pricing columns displayed on your screen and scroll until you see the Basic option. Click on the column that says Free Plan or Basic and press the Select button at the bottom of that box. Because you do not want to pay for heavy plans when you are just starting your new store, by selecting the Free option, you get all the main tools you need to move items without spending your budget. It's the key step to getting the right output so you can test the system safely before upgrading later. Next, link your online store. The final step is to connect your fresh profile directly to the platform where you host your online shop so the two systems can talk to each other. Look at the store choices on your screen, click on the name of your shop platform, and type your store address. Click the Connect button, log into your shop if it asks you to, and wait for the success checkmark to show up. Because your new helper tool can't send items anywhere if it's not linked to your real shop. Once you connect your shop platform and finish this last step for your latest task, your setup is completely done and ready to use. Now your profile is live and you can start adding items to sell right away. And that's pretty much it. To create a DSers account, you must first go to the official website and click Sign Up. Then you type in your email and password to build your login details. Next, you choose the free Basic plan from the list of options. Finally, you link your online store platform to finish the connection. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.